Well, hi everyone, Mr. Marcy out on the West Coast. Welcome back to the workshop. I haven't uploaded any videos in the last couple of weeks. I've had a ton of work to do around the house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back through some of my old videos and make condensed versions, and I'm talking really condensed. And hopefully I can just very quickly edit some of my old videos, get them uploaded. And for those of you that don't like watching, long videos, well, hopefully this is going to appeal to you. So the first video I've got coming up is how I built this knife. It's one of my favourite ones. It came out really well. It's a full flat grind. I've got a little bit of jimping on the back there, and it's got this nice sort of Coke bottle handle, shaped handle there, and it came out extremely well, and I'm very pleased with that knife. One of the best builds. So that's the one I'm going to kick off with. Hope you enjoy it. So that was quick. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for brand new upload notifications. So hopefully it won't be too long before I upload another one. Bye for now, and see you again very soon.